What work and profession do you know? From giving ideas for business to video editing and logo design, you earn money from the simplest tasks and earn at least $208 daily. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to today's website. Today we have come to you with an amazing website that pays you money for doing some tasks, but it's different from the websites we've introduced to you before. For example, here you can earn $45, $25, or even $155 just for logo design. The next part is for website design, which pays you $100, $120, $80, or even $245 for this work. For example, you can do logo design in the first way. Number 1. Canva. You can go into Canva and design the logo with the specifications that this website tells you. Number 2. Logo design app. You can also use this app like I did and design a logo. The next section on this website is social media marketing, where if you can do this job, you will earn good money. $140, $25, another $25, and $240 are the payments people make for social media marketing. The next section of the website is voiceover, which requires a good voice. If you can do the tasks here, your pay starts from $5 and goes up to $25. For example, a $25 job requires recording an American male voice that speaks English professionally. Earn money just by recording audio. Here, you can also get inspiration from the jobs done or Fiverr, such as logo design as we saw in the previous section, architecture and interior design, visual effects design, album cover design, landing page design, comic and cartoon character design, app design, social media design, AI artists. Earn at least $50 a day with whatever you know how to do. This website has many ways to earn money. You see the categories and subcategories here: graphic and design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio, and etc. With each of these, there are several items related to them, but more detailed. Wait for the site name. Earn money with the simplest tasks. This part is the video editing section. For example, this person earns $100 per minute and can work for you 24/7, but they are very professional. For example, this person edits TikTok videos, Instagram reels, and short videos, and they also add tasks to them, earning $15 per minute. There are other people here who work for you and get paid. If you have a skill, you just need to sign up on this website and start posting your resume, and employers will quickly contact you. It can be done anywhere in the world. You can even earn $300 by editing just 1 minute of video. As long as your work is strong, we'll also go to other sections and check them out. Before that, let's go to the business section. The second option is business plans. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to comment on your country to find more money-making opportunities for your country. Look at the first person here who does this job and creates a business plan for you. This person charges $300 or more to create a business plan for your startup. The next section is icon design. There are people here who only design icons and get paid just for designing icons. You can choose when they will deliver the project to you, and if you are a designer, you can add this option for yourself and deliver the project on time to the employer, and naturally, you'll get paid more. We can also add another detail like 3D icons, etc., which will increase the pay. What do you like to do? Earn money with the same skills. The next section is SEO. If you can do SEO work for websites, meaning you can make their site rank higher in searches, you can start working here. For example, this person from France does this work for $370, another person for $185, and other also do this work. Alright friends, today's website is Fiverr.com, which is a great website and is completely trustworthy. You can research it on Trustpilot or even with a simple Google search to see that this website doesn't engage in or hasn't engaged in any kind of fraud. On this website, you can either be an employer or ordering a project or a person doing design work or any job needed on this website. This website helps people who are looking for work from home jobs that don't require a physical space like the jobs we showed you here. For example, logo design, and this website does your marketing and shows you to others. And if they see your work and are satisfied, they will collaborate with you. Another money-making video with you, dear ones. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Guys, until the next videos, may your pockets be full of money.